There's a story about a farmer who was known for his negative attitude. One day, a neighbor stopped by and commented on the farmer's wonderful crop. "You must be extremely happy with this year's harvest," he said. The farmer grudgingly replied, "Well, yes, it looks like a pretty good one, but a bumper crop is awfully hard on the soil." The people of Israel had the same kind of complaining attitude. God had miraculously taken care of them during their wilderness wanderings, yet they constantly complained. For example, they griped about the manna that God had so graciously provided. Remembering the fish, cucumbers, melons, leeks, onions, and garlic of Egypt, they whined, "There is nothing at all except this manna before our eyes." Numbers 11:6. What ingratitude! We too sometimes tend to focus on the negatives rather than the positives of life. We murmur against the Lord when we should be praising Him for our countless blessings. We let ourselves be distracted by the disappointments and deprivations that God allows for our spiritual good. Whenever we are tempted to grumble, let's remember Numbers 11:1. When the people complained, it displeased the Lord. Some people go through life standing at the complaint counter.